Good morning everybody, welcome back to my vlog. This is Nicline Vernav. And today guys, we're taking the money from Palawan. Because my husband, my schedule sent me money just to buy a new washing machine. Let me show you guys what a good brand I can buy for today. We're in the shop now and we're looking around the amount which we can afford to buy, and we're looking also the prices in every brand, so you can choose the brand that they have. There is Samsung, there is a Sharp, and many more. Now I unbox Samsung washing machine.
Washing machine.
That I buy this morning. So unbox
pumpkin.
because we try this because we cannot see when it's good or when we don't really try. So the marketing advised me that I am going to observe for 2 days. If ever there is a factory defect, then they are automatically changed a new washing machine. So
What's this thing?
it's not. So dili na to broke ang cover because
Wow!
the color is blue.
Blue.
I like it. I like the color blue. Kung saan man nato ni anday pagtanggal nga
Gali bugatay.
kita raman duha. Nobody can help. That is the problem when I'm alone here, sketchy, and nobody can help me just to take out this washing machine. How can I do this alone? My goodness.
This is too heavy.
How can I do this?
Yes.
Wow, it's really new. I paid this for almost 11,500. How much is that? So I pay 11,288 and 63 centavos, and 250 for the travel charge. I pay this cash because my sketchy, he don't want me to make a credit. Help me, Stats. I can't do this alone. This is cover of the spin dryer dye. No, this here. The spin dryer. Kuan siya dye. You can put also here some dirty clothes, like a basket. Wow, it's very nice.
What is this for?
I don't know. This is manual. I choose to buy manual, not automatic, because the problem of automatic is if ever there's something problem on the motor, and then it's not like manual. You can repair anywhere. But in automatic, that is the problem.
It's so
So
heavy.
I chose manual. Ang problema, how can I? This time. Tawagan si Kuya Davey. Hindi natin yung ma-open daw.
Dahil mayroon tayong bagong washing machine, so itatry natin ngayon guys. Yan, subukan natin siya sa malaking bedsheet. Yan. Yung ano niya, capacity niya is 9.5 kg. Saka, mas pinili ko na hindi automatic. Kasi na-experience ko dati yung automatic. Mahirap siya pagka nagiba. Mahirap mo siyang ipaayos. Kaya yun, susubukan natin ngayon.
Baka nagtataka kayo kung bakit walang bula, banlaw na yun guys.
Meron na rin siyang spin dryer. Yan. At saka ang kagandahan nito isa sa ibang washing machine kasi ito, kahit naglalaba ka dito, pwede mo siyang pagsabayin na mag-spin dryer. I-ano mo lang to siya dito, pag ganun, i-spin mo lang. Tapos yung what is this? Yung drain, wag mo siyang ibaba. Dito mo lang siya i-spin dryer. Para yung tubig na mula dito, kung mag-spin ka, yun lang ang lalabas. Yung dito na tubig, hindi siya lalabas. Yan. Tsaka, yung kagandahan nito, yung motor niya is magkaiba. Magkaiba yung sa dryer, sa spin dryer niya, at saka sa washing dito, pang washing. Ayun, nag-drain na natin guys. Yan, nag-drain na. Tapos dito na yung tubig. Drain na natin. Ayan. Tsaka mamaya subukan na natin yung pagkatapos ng magbanlaw, subukan naman natin yung spin dryer niya. So, ayun. Tapos na yung labadami natin. Tapos, mag-spin dryer na tayo. I-dry natin yung bedsheet. Kasi alam mo naman yung bedsheet napakabigat. Ay, naku. Yan. Super bigat. I-transfer na natin dito sa kabila. Kaya yon yung sa una kong yung huli kong washing machine, nagiba na siya. Yung sa katagalan na nabiyak siya dito. Kaya nagbili ako ng washing machine ulit kasi talagang mahirap pag wala kang washing. Katulad nito na mag-washing ka ng malaking bedsheet, queen size. Mahirap. My God, parang hindi yata papasok. Parang hindi yata pa siya. Mukhang hindi siya magkasya guys. My God. Hindi siya magkasya. Ayun. Ang hirap nito. Hindi magkasya. Oh, ako. Paano ba yan? Talagang mahirapan tayo kasi yung spin dryer na sobrang liit, hindi magkasya. Yun. Ayun yung magkasya. Wala tayong magagawa nito kung di talagang i-dry natin ng ganun. Oh my God. Yun. Alam mo, ang purpose ko nito is yung pag mag-washing ako ng ganito kalaking mga bedsheet, pwede kong ma-spin dryer. Yun nga lang, sad to see na yun, sa sobrang laki niya, hindi siya magkasya at hindi siya pwedeng spin dryer natin kasi magigiba yung washing machine natin. Ano ba yan? Yun, wala tayong magawa kundi gano'n na lang. Wala, hindi siya talaga pwedeng ma-spin. Oh my God. Okay guys, this is for today's video, and then for those and then to those who are not yet subscribe, please click the button below, and then you are always notified for my upload videos. So thanks and good morning. Thank you, my Sketchy. You know, Sketchy, I was wrong because I think that this is enough when I am was like the queen size of bedsheet. But sorry to say that I cannot return this. Hindi na po pwedeng i-return kasi yun. Nabili na po natin guys. Tsaka nabuksan na, nagamit na natin. Yun. Wala naman siyang problema. Okay naman siya. Na-test ko na lahat. Okay siya. Okay naman yung washing part niya. Okay naman yung spin dryer din niya. Nasubok na rin natin sa mga maliliit. Yun nga lang, dito sa malalaki, talagang hindi siya kasya. Yun. Tsaka hindi natin pwedeng isauli kasi wala naman siyang factory defect or any defect. Just only, the problem is, the spin dryer is not enough for the big size of bedsheet. So, that's all. Thanks for watching.